Hey everybody, in today's video we're gonna do a digital marketing strategy and review for a wellness center or med spa. So if you are a marketer or a business owner and you have a wellness center or med spa, this video is for you. I'm gonna do a deep dive into a friend of a friend's business, Uplift Wellness Center. So this is an actual business in Florida, and I'm going to go through a website review, SEO review, social media audit, everything in one in less than 10 minutes. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to jump into it. And then if you haven't yet, please just smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on that bell for post notifications. My name is Mac Frederick, founder and owner of Momentum Digital. I used to work at Google, and now I make videos like this for small business owners and marketers who are trying to get better results and more customers online. So stay tuned and let's jump into that video. All right, so let's jump into the digital marketing audit and strategy for a wellness center in St. Petersburg, Florida. Here we are. So this is going to go over SEO, the website, social, some data analytics, similar to a med spa wellness center. First thing I like to look at is the website. It's kind of bare bones here in terms of like what's on the homepage. The homepage should have more written content about the services, benefits, value propositions, calls to action, content, etc. If we take a little peek at the SEO metrics with Ubersuggest, we're going to see the four main cornerstones: backlinks, domain authority, organic keywords, and organic monthly traffic, which is the most important number. It must be a newer website because this is all essentially zero, and you'd want it to be much higher. You know, if you take a look at our website for Momentum Digital with the same metrics tool, most of our customers and clients come from SEO, 3,000 organic, 15,000 keywords, 58 domain authority, 10,000 backlinks. This is all in the 0.1 percentile of our industry. So honestly, if you get these numbers cranked up a little bit, you should do pretty well because this is a local service business where people come to you, not really getting any keyword traffic other than branded terms. You also want to look at the Google Tag Assistant, Legacy Assistant Chrome extension. So if we pop that open, there is Tag Manager and the global site tag for analytics. If we take a look, there's no Facebook pixel for remarketing, which is going to be crucial for this type of advertising on Facebook and Instagram and collecting data and audiences. If we use the Meta SEO Inspector, needs to be more keywords in the title. Description's pretty good, a little bit too long. Header tags need fixed, no H1 tag. And if we get into the images, oh wow, we got some really big images that need tagged and compressed. A lot of these images don't have keyword alt tags. And you're gonna wanna have detailed services. So the service page should have a brief synopsis of all the services. Probably need more keywords, more content here. And then if you jump into the service pages, all these pages need to have internal linking through the other pages, such as to the home page or external links to data points. Needs to be more image and content and call to action on this page, for example. If we go to the about page, decent amount of information. I think the whole website just kind of needs an uplift. For example, if we take a look under the hood here at the code sets and tech stack on the website, this is a Wix site. Probably used a Wix domain as well. Yeah, the full Wix setup. So Wix is pretty good. I mean, you can do more with Wix here, but obviously, Squarespace is a little better. WordPress is even better. Jump over to the contact page. Let's have a look here. All right, hormone replacement therapy, contact info. We got a little form here. All right. Most importantly, let's take a look on mobile. Most of your traffic for this type of business is going to come from smartphones. Do a little scroll in here. All right, so it's not auto reformatting to a mobile device, but it's Wix, so that's kind of how Wix works. If you pull up a mobile device, it should work pretty well. Let me pause this and pull it up on my phone. All right, 1 sec, I'm pulling this up on the phone and we're gonna review this on mobile. So here's the Google business listing, which will show on desktop as well. Obviously we should open up more hours and optimize that listing, but let's go to the home page, website. Wix automatically converts and mobile renders. So as we see here, I mean, it just seems a little too basic for me. We should have more content, more images, more call to actions, a mobile click to call button, a scheduling button, more service pages, more internal content, etc. We got the drop down here, HRT, I guess is hormone replacement therapy. All these pages need optimized for SEO, more content, calls to action, etc. All right, jumping back in here, let's go back to desktop so we have a better view. So if we go to the service pages, we just want to make sure, like jumping back to this page, take a look at the meta SEO again. Description way too long. You got 170 character limit and you need to use more characters in the head title. Better header formatting and structure. Need more images. They are tagged and compressed. That's nice. So decent job there, but we really need to start with the home page, optimize that, and then spread out to the other pages. Let's jump back and take a look at the business listing. So Uplift Wellness Center. All right, this is the listing. So need a longer description, more keywords in that. Need more posts, only one post here. Need to add the services with images and any products you sell with images and links to those pages. Need to get more reviews. I don't see any reviews, I don't think. Be the first to review. So this is a newer business, needs reviews, needs optimized. Needs more photos, videos. I think there is a virtual tour. Nope, so we need a virtual tour as well. More content on this page. We'll take a look at social. Did I lose the page? I'm assuming you should link this to the homepage as well. That doesn't link. Yeah, are there any social pages? Let's go to the contact page, see if we can find any social links. Maybe I'm missing it. Let me pause this and see if I can find it. So I did a search here. I'm not sure if this is the one. Let's have another look. Uplift Wellness Center. I'm not even seeing a St. Pete address, and I only see this one. So I guess social wasn't created yet, or definitely isn't a priority. So social can make or break this type of business. If you look at my company, Affiliate IV, I've got some partners on this company. So if we scroll down here, I focus on a lot of the marketing for this business, and they help, they run the social. I do the SEO website, etc. You need a lot of good content, reels, photos, carousels, call to actions, specials, etc. So lots of followers, run paid ads on social, search, Google local ads, branding ads, call to action, value service ads, a lot of different things you could be doing for paid advertising as well with this brand. So there's a lot of potential here. The things I would focus on would be the local SEO, Google My Business, really make a better website, optimize that website for SEO and conversions, and then really building out your social, so organic and paid social with a lot of good content, and start running ads to that as well as Google Ads. So this was a digital marketing audit and analysis for a wellness center, med spa. Great brand, great idea. You can make a lot of money with this business, but you got to set up the marketing correctly. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.